Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. It's been a while, but if you been watching the news, you probably know what's going on up here in Austin. I guess everything is kind of getting back to normal, right? But anyways, I wanted to make this morning, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to make a pesto sauce. This is my own kind of like pesto sauce that I like to make. I haven't made it in a while. So if you follow me, well, I'll show you. Now here's my blender. And then in my blender, I put a whole bunch of parsley, as you can see. And in the bottom, I have a little bit of cilantro that I had left.
All right.
Right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put half a cup of water, because we need to blend the sauce. And
blend it up,
we're going to put some olive oil. So this is half a cup, so like a quarter cup.
We're measuring.
Of olive oil.
Yes.
Oh, we're not really measuring. I'm kind of like going to be eyeballing. But I'm going to make, this is just making sauce because I need to make enough. And then salt. Like that. Maybe a little bit more. Like that. And then pepper.
Pepper.
Like that.
Does pepper actually make you sneeze?
So that's kind of like half a cup, I guess. So, well, if you like...
Like in the cartoons?
If you like, what do you call it? Look, and this is a little bit of rosemary. So what I'm going to do is, this is organic rosemary. Now when I blend it there, so what pesto consists is all kinds of like green herbs. Like if you have thyme, real thyme and rosemary. I don't. I have these thyme flowers here. So we put some rosemary, like a tablespoon, and another tablespoon of like thyme. Oh.
Ooh, how's that smell?
It went up my nose a little bit, but you're going to put like that much thyme.
All right.
So what pesto consists is all the green herbs, salt, pepper, olive oil. A lot of people put lime juice. I don't like that. And we're going to put some garlic.
All right.
So you guys are writing down all the thing, right?
Write it down.
So we have parsley. This is minced garlic. And put...
Oh, it smells very pungent.
Yeah, very strong, right?
Pungent.
A little bit of that. And basil leaves. Now, this is the best basil that money can buy. If it's not dry, this smells like the real thing, let me tell you. So, I'm going to take like, let me see, one. We're going to put like 2 tablespoons of basil. Okay, guys? Yeah, and then we also got to put, of course, oregano. And this is my Mexican oregano. It's not this tones, okay? This is some Mexican oregano that I buy at the supermarket. You can see the leaves. They're almost like, you know, alive still, like they're just starting to dry. So I'm going to put like a spoonful and a half of oregano.
All right.
And then everything else is a spoonful, more or less. You add up as you think, what do you think it needs or doesn't need. So I think we have the olive oil. We have a half cup of water, right, Michael?
Yep.
I think I'm going to put a little bit more water because that's going to be very thick, that pasty. And, hold on a second. It's another half cup of water. And we're going to put 1 Serrano pepper. Come here, Mike. I already chopped it. As you guys can see, I already chopped it up. These are my Serranos. Michael was telling me, hey, Mama, put 2. And I'm like, no, 2 is too much. Because I like it spicy, but not that spicy that you cannot, you know, it's going to blow your mouth or something like that. We don't want to do that. And then...
Right, spice it up, spice it up.
Now we're going to blend, Michael.
Here we go.
Okay, what does it say there? I can't see.
Okay, let's see, everybody.
Not smooth.
Smooth, milkshake, great, beat,
okay, where's
icy
the
drink.
Yep, we have it on low. I don't want it to splatter all over.
Okay, so we're going to put it on low, right?
Oh, and we got to put a little vinegar. So I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar. Because you need that tanginess.
A
quarter cup. This is half a cup, right?
Yep.
So we're going to put a quarter. Half of a half. It's what, a quarter. There you go.
Quarter cup.
Now with my finger. Wow. I think we got to put a little bit more salt.
Salt it up.
That's it. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take this. And, Michael, did you just put that thing on my face?
Kind of.
No, yeah, but don't do that.
Sorry about that.
I mean, come on. You know, I don't have no makeup on or nothing. I'm looking like this, and I really don't care, though, because that's how I look. But anyways, Michael, look. So you take the rest of the seasoning.
Oh, sorry.
Be careful. The rest of, see the seasoning? And I'm going to pour it in all this chicken breast.
Wow.
And what are we going to do? So this is pesto. And a lot of people, they pay for it at the store. When you can just buy your own green herbs. See, and now the chicken that is here, you see it? Now this is good for grilling. You can grill it right on the stove top. That's from the things. But you can grill it right on your stove top. And if you have a skillet, you can put it there. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to put it in the fridge and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours before you even make us. This is going to feed my family today because I'm not really in the mood of like making a big meal. So what I'm going to do is, I wanted to season this. I'm going to place it in my fridge. And whenever one of the guys is hungry, I'll throw them chicken breast, grill it with salads, with vegetables, whatever they want. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and also on Google+, on Pinterest. We're all over the place.
That's right.
YouTube also, and you follow the link below, and that will take you to our Patreon account, where if you want, you can donate $1, $2,
or not.
$3, or don't donate anything. It doesn't matter, but it's always appreciated because it comes in handy, so we can keep on making more recipes as we have been until today. So sorry for the delay, and with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy. If you make the recipe, let me know. Later on, probably I'm gonna make a little so you guys can see how it cooks with my my pesto chicken. And I love you. Have a good day.